Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from India to Canada to the bank to Scotiabank. It's really easy. The first step we need to do is open our Western Union or whatever platform that allows us to send the money to other countries. This is easy. Uh, in this case, we are using Western Union, but you can use Wise or Remitly uh, to send money to Canada. It's really easy. In this case, we're gonna open Western Union, and then we're gonna select this option called Send Money. Right here, we're gonna select Canada to send the money. We're going to click continue, and then right here we can select the amount to send. In this case, we're gonna add this amount, and right here you can see the amount to receive. In this delivery method, we are going to select bank account because we need to send to Scotiabank, that is a Canadian bank. And right here we're gonna select how we'll pay this transaction. And right here, once we have select this, we're gonna click continue to send the money. It's really easy, but in any other platform, you need to select the bank accounts option of delivery method to send the money to a Scotia bank. Okay, you need to have. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.